Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss NEP 2020 mandate and transition from affiliated colleges to autonomous colleges. The NEP 2020 envisions a transition from affiliated colleges towards autonomous colleges, granting the colleges greater freedom in curriculum development, academics, and administration. Salient points of NEP 2020's vision for autonomous colleges. Number one, phasing out affiliation. The NEP 2020 aims to gradually remove the university affiliation system from the colleges, encouraging them to become autonomous degree granting institutions. Graded autonomy. The shift to autonomy will occur through a system of graded autonomy, meaning colleges will gradually acquire more independence over time. Focus on innovation and self-governance. The policy aims to empower colleges to be innovative, self-governing, and academically free. Freedom in curriculum and teaching. Autonomous colleges will have freedom to design their own curricula, conduct their own examinations, and develop their own teaching methodologies. Then multidisciplinary institution. The NEP 2020 promotes the development of multidisciplinary institutions. Then accountability. While promoting autonomy, the NEP emphasizes the importance of accountability for autonomous colleges. It may be noted that a total of 45,473 colleges were registered in AISHE latest survey. Among them, 1,220 colleges are autonomous colleges, which account for only 2.69% of the total number of colleges. In other words, 97.31% of the colleges are affiliated colleges, which need to be transformed into autonomous colleges by the year 2035 as per the NEP 2020. This is really a big challenge. UGC Guidelines 2023 for transforming affiliated colleges into autonomous colleges. Eligibility. Affiliated or constituent colleges of any discipline, whether government, aided, partially aided, or unaided or self-financing, are eligible provided they are under Section 2F of the UGC Act. The college should have at least 10 years of existence. The college must be accredited either by NAC or by NBA for at least 3 programs or from a UGC empaneled accreditation agency. However, if number of programs run by the college is less than 3, then each of the programs must be accredited as per NBA norms. Accreditation status must be valid for at least 1 year at the time of application. Role, terms, and conditions of an autonomous college. Number 1, review existing courses or programs and restructure, redesign, and prescribe its own courses or programs of study and syllabi. Number 2, to formulate new courses or programs within the nomenclature specified by UGC as per the specification of degrees 2014 as amended from time to time. Number 3, evolve methods of assessment of students' performance, conduct of examinations, and notification of results. To announce results, issue mark sheets and other certificates. However, the degree shall be awarded by the parent university with the name of the college and the degree certificate. Autonomous colleges need not pay affiliation fees to the parent university. These prescribe rules for admission in consonance with the reservation policy of the state government or national policy. Number 7, autonomous colleges may fix fees as per the norms of the state government or statutory councils at their own level as applicable. They constitute their own governing body, academic council, finance committee and board of studies. The teaching staff and principal in all the autonomous colleges shall be appointed as per the UGC regulations 2025 and as amended from time to time. Autonomy granted to the college is at the institutional level and is not partial and shall cover the programs at all levels of UG and PG offered by the college. The programs introduced by the college after the conferment of autonomous status shall automatically come under the purview of autonomy. PhD programs shall be offered strictly as per the UGC regulations notified in this regard from time to time. Autonomous status shall be granted initially for a period of 5 or 10 years as per class 7 of these guidelines. Further extension of autonomy shall be for a period of 5 or 10 years as per the clause 8 of these regulations. Role of the parent university to examine the application of the college for autonomous status on the UGC portal and give its recommendations along with the reasons or justification within 30 working days on the UGC portal. If the parent university does not respond on the UGC portal within 30 working days, it shall be presumed that the parent university has no objection to the processing of the application by UGC for conferment of autonomous status. Number 2, issue notification within 30 days for a college to function as an autonomous entity once the autonomous status is conferred on the college by UGC. 3, the college on attaining autonomous status will continue to be affiliated with the parent university but will enjoy the privileges of autonomy. 4, to provide nominees on various statutory bodies of the autonomous college. And finally, 5, to facilitate the implementation of these regulations. Role of the state government to provide nominees on various statutory bodies of the autonomous college. The autonomous colleges shall continue to be eligible to receive funds from the state government as being done before the grant of autonomous status, if any, to make efforts to fill all sanctioned faculty positions on a regular and ongoing basis. Conferment of autonomous status for a period of 5 years. Autonomous status shall be granted initially for a period of 5 years from the commencement of an academic session in case the college is accredited by either by NAC or NBA for at least 3 programs or from a UGC empaneled accreditation agency. However, if the number of programs being run by the college is less than 3, then each of the eligible programs must be accredited as per NBA norms, and accreditation status must be valid for at least 1 year at the time of application submission. Conferment of autonomous status for a period of 10 years. Autonomous status shall be granted initially for a period of 10 years from the commencement of an academic session in case the college is accredited by NAC with a minimum of A grade or by NBA for at least 3 programs with a minimum score of 675 individually or a corresponding accreditation grade or score from a UGC empaneled accreditation agency. However, if the number of programs being run by the college is less than 3, then each of the eligible programs as per the NBA norms should secure 675 or more marks. Accreditation status must be valid for at least 1 year at the time of application submission. Extension of autonomous status of the colleges. The autonomous colleges must maintain the quality of education and standard as evidenced by the report of the external peer review evaluation committee of IQAC once a year. They must ensure the quality and standards of various programs as accredited by NAC or NBA as per the guidelines of UGC. Monitoring of autonomous colleges. IQAC shall be established in the autonomous college for regular monitoring of the college. The IQAC shall have an external peer team comprising of 2 or more members who shall be academicians of repute not below the rank of the professor. The report regarding the performance of the autonomous college shall also be put in the public domain on the website of the college. The external peer review shall be conducted at least once a year. On its own, or in case of an adverse report by the external peer team of accuracy, or on receipt of information or complaint, UGC may cause an inspection by constituting an expert committee for scrutiny and may revoke the autonomous status of the college after giving due opportunity of hearing to the management by way of notification. The autonomous college shall, without fail, upload on its website information regarding the programs offered by it, the fees for the programs, the details of the faculty along with the qualification and unique ID, the admission procedure, the details of relevant infrastructures, research activities along with the details of PhD students enrolled, if any, with the date of enrollment, topics and supervisor, all these details. The autonomous college shall also put on its website the constitution of various committees as mandated in the various UGC regulations notified from time to time. The autonomous college shall conduct the meetings of the statutory bodies regularly and upload the minutes of the meetings on the college website. UGC mentoring scheme for the affiliated colleges. The UGC mentoring scheme, particularly the Paramarsh scheme, aims to help non-accredited institutions improve their academic performance and achieve NAC accreditation by pairing them with well-performing accredited institutions as mentors. The mentor institutions help NAC accreditation aspiring institutions, that is mentees, promote quality assurance by enhancing competencies in research, teaching and learning methodologies. Financial assistance. Mentor institutions receive financial assistance up to rupees 30 lakhs to support activities like accreditation, ambassador fellowships, guest lectures, workshops and expert enrollings. For example, University of Hyderabad functioned as the mentoring institution to mentor the institutions like Satavahana University, Adikavi Nannaya University, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University and Government Degree College for Women, Golconda. Conclusion: all the affiliated colleges in the country must strive to become autonomous colleges at the earliest. UGC may extend the Paramarsh scheme to more number of institutions in order to facilitate the transition from affiliation system to autonomous system. The state governments must play their role in empowering all the affiliated colleges in their respective states to become autonomous colleges. Thank you very much.